I know you all have tasted meat pies, like lots of meat pies in the past, but this I'm teaching you today is the banger. You don't believe me, right? Let me show you how. We're making a very flaky meat pie today, and the secret to that is the ice cold water as well as the ice cold butter. So I'm basically going to be adding some cold milk as well into the water. Give this a light mix. All right, first of all, I'm going to be adding the butter into the flour. I'm going to be making this into a crumb-like texture. It's going to take a few minutes just to make sure that all of the bits of the butter is not larger than 1 inch. We're going to be doing that for a few seconds, and then I'll go ahead to add the milk, and that's going to be for the dough. We're going to be chilling this for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I'll be showing you how I fill it with my very yummy filling. Okay, so this is what a good dough should look like. It is not wet. It's supposed to have this kind of crackled effect because I'm supposed to put it in a cling film for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and that is when you extract the moisture that is going to come out of it. If you want your meat pie to be very flaky, don't overwork it and make sure it is still like a crumbly dough. So when you put it in the freezer for a bit, 30 minutes, 1 hour, it comes out firm enough to be rolled into the flat pie shapes for you to make your meat pie.
1 hour later.
Meat pies are ready. So this is what a perfect meat pie should look like. Golden crust on the top side and on the bottom side. Lightly golden with a perfect crust. As you see, even in the video, you can hear the sound. And of course, the center or the filling is very juicy. Till next time, guys. Famous Dessert Video here.